The secret behind feeling older than you should? Have you ever woken up and thought, I feel 80, but I'm only 65? Your joints ache, your energy is gone, your memory slips, and even simple tasks feel hard. But what if I told you? It might not be your age. It could be a vitamin deficiency slowly draining your strength, and most seniors don't even know it. Welcome to Elder Bloom, where we help you bloom again in every season of life. Today, we're uncovering a silent health thief, one that makes you tired, foggy, weak, even depressed. But the good news, you can fix it quickly, naturally, and safely. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The vitamin that controls how old you feel. Meet vitamin B12, the energy vitamin. This one tiny nutrient powers your nerves, red blood cells, and brain. And guess what? As we age, our bodies absorb less of it. In fact, 1 in 5 adults over 60 is deficient. Symptoms of low B12 in seniors: constant fatigue, numbness or tingling in hands, feet, poor memory or confusion, mood swings or depression, pale skin or shortness of breath, feeling cold often. Sound familiar? Now let's understand why it happens. Chapter 2. Why seniors lose B12 without knowing. The stomach makes a special acid called intrinsic factor that absorbs B12. But with age or due to medications like anticides or metformin, this acid decreases. Even if you eat enough, your body might not use it properly. And if you've had gastric surgery, Crohn's or celiac disease, heavy alcohol use, you're at higher risk. Chapter 3. Foods that naturally boost B12. Thankfully, nature provides powerful B12-rich foods. Best animal sources: liver beef or chicken, eggs, sardines, salmon, tuna, yogurt and milk, cheese, especially Swiss. For vegetarians, plant sources don't have active B12, so choose fortified cereals, fortified nutritional yeast, B12 fortified soy milk or almond milk. Still not enough? No worries. Chapter 4. Supplements that actually work. B12 supplements come in 3 forms: cyanocobalamin, cheap and common; methylcobalamin, more natural, better absorbed; sublingual under tongue, absorbs directly into bloodstream. Ask your doctor for a simple blood test before starting. In severe cases, monthly B12 injections may be recommended. And remember, too much B12 is rare, it's water-soluble, so excess gets flushed. Chapter 5. How fast will you feel the difference? Most people feel more energy within 1 to 2 weeks of starting B12. Others notice better sleep, improved memory, calmer moods, less tingling or numbness. It's not a miracle, it's your body finally running the way it's meant to. Final thoughts. Aging isn't the enemy, deficiency is. Just because we're aging doesn't mean we have to feel weak, foggy, or depressed. If you've been saying, I'm just getting old, ask yourself instead, am I getting what my body needs? It could change how you feel, not in years, but in days. You're not broken, you're just low on fuel. Stay kind to yourself, and stay blooming. Share this video with a loved one who's been tired for no reason. Comment below. How did you feel after fixing a vitamin deficiency? Subscribe for more wellness secrets made simple for beautiful aging.